In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open NinjaTrader account. We'll walk through the process in a clear, simple way so you can get set up with confidence in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser. You can either search for NinjaTrader or go directly to ninjatrader.com by typing it into the address bar. If you're using a search engine, look carefully for the official site and make sure the web address is spelled correctly. It's a good idea to check for the little padlock icon in your browser, which indicates a secure connection. If you see sponsored results or lookalike links, skip those and click the official NinjaTrader website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the page for a button that says Open Account. On desktop, it's usually easy to spot. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon first to find it. Website layouts can change from time to time, so if you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit or look for similar wording like Open or Get Started. Go ahead and click the Open Account button. You'll now be taken to a sign-up screen where you can begin your account creation. Here, you have two straightforward options. Start with an email address or use a connected account such as Google or Apple. If you choose email, you'll enter your email address and create a secure password. Aim for a strong password you haven't used elsewhere, and consider using a password manager for safety. If you choose a connected account, the process is typically faster. You'll approve the connection and confirm which Google or Apple account you want to use. This keeps things streamlined and reduces the number of passwords to remember. Depending on your selection, you may be prompted to accept terms and confirm basic details. If you sign up with an email, you might also receive a quick verification message. Just open your inbox, find the message from the official sender, and follow the link to confirm. If it doesn't appear right away, check your spam or promotions folder. And there you go. Once that's done, your NinjaTrader account is created. To recap the flow you followed, head to ninjatrader.com, click Open Account at the top right, and choose to sign up with an email or with a connected account like Google or Apple. If something doesn't look right or a button isn't visible, try refreshing the page, using a different browser, or temporarily disabling strict content blockers. That's all. You've successfully opened your NinjaTrader account, and you're ready for the next steps whenever you are.